Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Saman here, your grammar teacher. Today our topic is definite article the. We have already discussed indefinite article, which is a and an, and there are two types of article: indefinite and definite. Indefinite are a and an. Both of them are used with nouns and they are used with singular nouns. A is used with the consonant nouns and an is used with vowel, the words which starts with vowels. And now we have definite article, which is only one. This is the. We are going to see what is the use of it and what are the rules that we apply. Okay, this is the definition. It is used to refer to specific nouns indicating that the speaker or writer is referring to a particular person, place, or thing or concept that is already known or has been previously mentioned. It means that we use definite article the when you are giving importance to somebody or when you are talking about a specific thing or a particular thing and you have talked about that thing previously as well, then you use the article the. It means that you are giving importance to that thing. Specific means that it's a particular thing. You are giving importance to that thing and it is unique of its own kind. Then we use the specific article the. I'm going to give you the examples and it will be more clear to you. Now in the next slide, just see the difference between the use of indefinite article and definite article. What is the major difference? Here you can see the picture of a robber and here it is used a thief and the thief. Both are correct. But what is the difference? The difference is that the indefinite article tells us something is non-specific. Okay, now here this robber, you don't know about this person or what he is doing. This is any thief, you don't know him. This is non-specific. So that's why you are using a thief. He is not known to the writer or the readers. Then here when you have used the definite article the definite article tells us something is specific. Now you are giving importance to that person. You know that person and that he is robbing. This is a specific thief that you know. It's a particular thief that you are talking about. That's why you are using the thief. The writer and reader know about him. So this is the difference between indefinite article and definite article. Both can be used depending upon the situation. If you know the noun or the noun is specific, then you use the, and if you don't know the person or the thing, then you use and then afterwards noun. Okay, now we are going to see the rules of using articles the. There are not, this is not the hard and fast rule that you have to use the article the like this. If you want to learn more about the article, you need to be in touch with the grammar. You need to be in touch with the language, English language. That's how you come to know that when you have to use article the. Here are some of the rules that will help you if you are at the beginner level. It's going to help you out that when you have to use the article the. But you need to learn more by reading more. The more you are going to read the English books or the newspaper or the novels, the more you will come to know that when you have to use the article the. So there are some set rules. Just we are going to go through one by one, and then the more you want, if you want to learn more, then you have to be in touch with the English language. Okay, number first rule is specific noun identification. It means that the is used when the noun being referred to is unique or specific and both the speaker and the listener are aware of its identity. Like in the previous slide, I told you the example of the thief. Now the thief, you know already, you know the person already. That's why you have used the article. So when you're talking about a unique or a specific or a particular thing and you know about that thing, then you use article the. See the example, I saw the movie last night. Now here you know the movie that you watched. So that's why you are using the movie. I saw the movie last night. So we have used the with the noun. See the second rule. The second rule is that we use article the with superlative adjective. Superlative means the third degree of adjective, like hot, hotter, hottest, the hottest sun. Okay, you are not going to say the hotter. It will be the hottest. With the superlative degree, we will use the. So, for example, he is the tallest person in the room. The tallest, taller, tallest. Tallest is a superlative. It means the third degree of adjective. That's why we have used the. Okay, number third rule is that we use the article the with ordinal numbers. What are ordinal numbers? Ordinal numbers are first, second, third, fourth, fifth, the positions. Okay, the numbers to specify a particular position or order. Then we use the article the. For example, she won the first prize in the competition. This is the ordinal number first. So we have used the first prize. Okay, then see rule number 4. Rule number 4 is that we use article the before singular and plural nouns in unique context. Okay, here one thing you should know, that we use indefinite article a and an only with the singular nouns, not with the plural nouns. But we can use the article the with singular as well as with the plural noun. So you have to see the context also. So when you are talking about a specific thing, either it is singular or plural and it is unique of its own kind, then you use the article the. For example, the sun rises in the east. Now there is only one sun, there is no other sun. You can't say a sun rises in the east. When you talk about one thing, already it is only one, but the context will be changed. You will say the sun rises in the east. This is the universal fact, you cannot change it. So the sun rises in the east. The sun is unique in its own kind. That's why we have used the. And here this is the example of singular noun. Now we have example of plural noun. The children are playing in the park. Now children, they are also specific, they are also unique. Like the specific children are playing in the park, they are taking slide, they are taking seesaw. So we are highlighting those children. That's why we have used the children are playing in the park. You can't say a or an children, definitely it will be wrong. So this is the rule number 4, and then this is rule number 5. Before nouns already mentioned or known to the listener. Okay, the is used when the noun has been previously mentioned. On the very first slide, I told you that when you talk about the thing that you talked previously as well, then you use the article the, or when both the speaker and listener are aware of its identity. For example, I bought a book. Okay, here you have used indefinite article a. I bought a book. The book is about history. Now you are referring to the book that you bought, and that's why you are using the, because you are talking the book that you previously talked about. That's why you are highlighting it. Now you are going to say the book is about history. Okay, this is clear. Okay, now number 6 rule is with the names of oceans, seas, rivers and mountain ranges we use the. Okay, like the specific ocean is the largest ocean on earth. Now specific ocean is only one. The name there are the specific ocean is a particular name of an ocean. Okay, so you are going to say the, it is unique of its own kind. This rules also apply on this, and this rule also apply that with the names of ocean we use the specific. The Pacific Ocean is the largest. Now here we have used the third degree, superlative degree of adjective, large, larger, largest. So we have used the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean on earth. The Nile is the longest river in the world. Now there is only one river, its name is Nile, so you are going to say the Nile. Okay, so with this ocean, seas, rivers and mountain ranges we use the article the. Okay, number 7th rule is with adjectives plus noun combination. It means that we use the article the when an adjective is used as a noun that represent a unique group of people. This is also called gerund as well. So when an adjective is used as a noun, then you can use the article. For example, the Dutch are very skillful engineers. Now here the quality is also described, but what is Dutch? Dutch is noun. Okay, so adjective plus noun. With adjective plus noun we use the Dutch are very skillful engineers. The homeless were sheltered in the church. The elderly need special care. Okay, now this is clear that with adjectives that are used as a noun, with them we use the. Then with singular and plural nouns in supermarket context, like the is used with singular and plural nouns in the context of going to the supermarket or grocery store. I need to buy the eggs and the milk. You are not going to say I need to buy an eggs. An eggs will be wrong. An is used with only singular nouns. So you are specifying it. What do you need to buy? So you will use the eggs and the milk. Then rule number, okay, that was the last rule, and this is the important point. It's important to note that the is not used with uncountable nouns when referring to general or non-specific concepts. For example, I love the music is incorrect. Okay, you should say that I love music because it's not a specific concept, it's not generalized. So with the uncountable nouns, we have used the with milk and eggs because they are also uncountable. Milk is uncountable, but you are talking about the grocery or the, you can say, the supermarket context. In supermarket context, you can use the. Milk is uncountable noun, but here when you're talking about the journal or non-specific concept, then you don't use the. We can't say the music, it will be just I love music. So I hope it's clear to you, and if you want to learn more about the article, definite article the, you need to in touch with the grammar and with the English language. The more you are going to practice it, the more it will be easy for you to comprehend that when you have to use article the. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.